Let me explain. I went to eTembisa, eHlobeni Zami, and immediately when I stopped, two guys came from both sides of the vehicle. Babridge isibhamu sabo bangikhomba, they told me to lie down. You know the process. They take me bangifaka emotweni bahamba nami. Endleleni, what amazes me is that one of the guys called me ngegama lami and spoke about umsebenzi wami. Uthi ya ngithi nawe wenza umsebenzi wakho, you ask people questions. Wathatha lama questions. Nathi senza umsebenzi wethu. Siyeke thula shongo. So that happened. But amaphoyisa will deal with that matter. Sebengireleasile, it was in the early AMs. I then went to police station, did the case. When I was done, it was around about 5 a.m. or so, where I went to the hotel where we were kept as members of parliament. I prepared for the next day, which is now dressing up. Tried to sleep a bit, I couldn't because of the trauma. Ngavuka-ke, ngahamba ngaya emsebenzini. It was now Thursday where MPs will be questioning Ubaba Keth Matlala. Now people are asking, why did I go to emsebenzini with ukwenzakalelwa yale nto le? Bantu bakithi ngihlala elokishini, ngikhulele eThwathwa East eDaveyton. Ngikhulele eMaphupheni, ngikhulele elokishini endala ngase stadium, Sinaba Stadium. These things zokubanjwa inkunzi, these things zokuhijackwa, the kidnappings, elokishini is wrong ukuthi ngisho kanje, kodwa it's normal. Ubanjwa inkunzi kusasa kumele uvuke emsebenzini ngoba uma ungaya emsebenzini ingane ziyodlana. I needed to fulfill my duty engiyithunywe South Africans, South Africans, of questioning and wanting answers from Ubaba Matlala, Keth Matlala.